Hi there, Sue Sharp here, and today I am talking to you about LeadsLeap capture pages or opt-in pages, landing pages, splash pages, bridge pages, whatever page you want to make. If you want to make a page, and you can make them free in LeadsLeap or you can become a pro, either way you can make really good splash pages or capture pages. You can make really good pages very easily. And so I'm going to just show you how to do it. I don't want to make a long video. I made a far too long one yesterday, so I'm going to try and keep this a bit shorter. So I've logged into my dashboard, and just on the left hand side where everything is listed, just go down and find PageBuilder. Okay, everything you touch here, look at that, and it tells you what it's for. So any little question mark will tell you what's going on. And under PageBuilder you want Page Manager. So click on Page Manager, and that will open up, and you'll have any pages that you've already made here in this list. Processing, it's going to go slow today, isn't it? And so I've got lots down here of all my pages that I've already done and got going and am advertising online. And so to start one, just add a new page. Now I'm just going to make a test page for now, because obviously it's just really to show you what you can do. So just a name for use for your reference. So add now. Okay, so you just wait while it updates. It hasn't done it yet because that's another one that I did a few days ago. Simple 10 a day system. And so here it goes. Process it very slowly this morning. It always is when I'm doing a video for some reason. I think it waits for me. Right, let's do it slow. She's doing a video. Right, okay, so here we have it underneath. It says test. Now, what I love about LeadsLeap is it's just it makes it very obvious what to do next. So you've just done a test page. You don't know anything about it. What's the obvious thing? Add a new design to start. It's like begging you to click that button. But I just wanted to point out first, it will have the name there of whatever you want to name your funnel, your page. There's a little note section here which I really like, because you can make notes. Say you've started that page, you can put little reminder notes in there. And at my age, I need little reminder notes to tell you, say change the colour, make the picture bigger, something like that. Anything you need to do, so you can put it in there. It auto saves, and I think it saves me time because it helps me remember where I am on this page. That's your main link there, and there is a premium link. Now, I've used that in the past, and then I had to downgrade my account from Pro to free. So if you're in any doubt about it, if you're likely to go down to free, just always use the top one, because if you're using the premium one and then you have to go down to a free, if you're a pro and you have to go down to a free account, your premium links won't work. So I always make a habit of just using the top, even though I am totally committed now, and I suppose I should be using premium. But I've got into the habit now of using the top one. So you just click on use. Obviously there's nothing in it at the moment because we haven't made the page. And then you right click and copy, and then you can bring it up. But it does, whatever you do has to be activated first, but I'll show you that in a minute. So as I said, the obvious thing is add a new design to start. So click on that. You can add a blank page design, or if you've got a share code, it would go in there, but I'll show you that in another video. So add a blank page design. So then you wait while they bring it up. Okay, so you're still in Page Manager. Processing slowly. Okay, so here we go. So you go back to this, and you've now got all things about the page and a design. And it says here, click Launch Editor to link to a list. And click here to start designing. So Launch Editor, and then your Page Builder will pop up in another tab. Okay, so then you're thinking, this is going to be really difficult, but no, LeadsLeap have done it all for you. They've given you all these pages that you can choose one. Now, this doesn't mean you've got to have it exactly the same as this. You can change the background, you can change the words, obviously, because you don't want it to say, want to steal my $100 a day secret if that's not what you're doing. But these are good pages, and if you wanted to keep it just like that and just change a few words, you could make it simple on yourself. And your first few, really, you probably should just leave them very similar. But you can do, there's pages here with no opt. Oh no, that has got an opt-in. There are pages without an opt-in. I've seen her all over the web, so loads of people are using that one. I've seen all of these, to be honest, online. That background, everything like that. You can change it. You don't have to. So choose a template. So if you wanted an opt-in, if you wanted a thank you page, you're looking for that, a review page, and a download page. So you can do the whole funnel. We'll carry on with an opt-in page just because this is just training really to get you going in LeadsLeap, so you know what you're doing. I'm going to click on this one. So it's updating it, and what it'll take you is into that page, but for you to make it yours. So it's not anybody else's. So first important step is here's your page ready to edit. Everywhere you're going to edit, you will edit it on the right. But the first thing is it's drawing you to it. Important step. Click this now. So click on that, and what it's telling you is your page. If you're using an opt-in page, you've got to attach it to a list. So you can either click no opt-in. If there's no opt-in, then you're done there. That's it. You can close this. Third party, that's for obviously if you're not using SendSteed. Why wouldn't you? But anyway, some people don't. And if you're using SendSteed, which is LeadsLeap's own autoresponder, then you just click on that, use SendSteed, and it'll ask you for your list ID. Now, if you haven't got it, if this has got to be a new list, just click on Add New List, and then it'll show you how to do it. But for me, I've already got lots of lists, so I'll just say I'm going to put Live Good Follow-ups. So my list IDs come up, and I've done that. Now, you can close it now, but the important thing you've got to do is so that LeadsLeap knows you want that, you've got to go to this right-hand button and click Save. Every time you change anything, click Save. Every single time. So we've done the list. Let's close that off now. Okay, so we're back to the page. So you've got your form here. That's already on because it was already there. And so the click button there, I want to make 100 a day. You may want to change what that says. And let's just move me out the way. So there's your button. So you click on that. And this is where it says it. I want to make $100 a day. So you might want to say, yes, click the link, click this link, click here, join my list, whatever you think you're going to be doing. So you can change that. So you can highlight that, you can make it bold, you can make it italic, you can underline it, you can change the colour of your writing to blue. Oh, that's not a very good colour, is it? You can change it to purple, you can do what you want with it. It's just like a text editor. You can insert a photo there. Whatever you want. So this is where you do it, but as soon as you've done it and you say, oh, I like that, you click Save. Top right hand side, click Save. Okay. And every time I click Save, it processes for 5 minutes, which is just not what you want when you're trying to do a shorter video. Okay, so then we've done that, and then perhaps we want to change that. So again, you click on that. It's not letting me click on it. Here we go, click on it. So once this box comes around it, and that's a box for any time you want to do text, you just click on the A there. Say you want a new text, another bit of text, you click that and you just pull that to where you want it, and you double click in there, and then you'll have a little box pop up on the right hand side saying your text here. So you can put in, hello, your text. Anyway, your text I put. So then if you don't want it, you click on it again and you go over here, because all this on the right is whatever you're clicking on. There, you're clicking on there and delete. Okay, so then if you want to change that, you click on it and it brings it up there, and you can change the attention to red, you can change whatever you want there. It's just like a normal editor. Put it over to one side, put it back in the middle, bold it, underline, under it, change the colour. Anything, make a list, make it into a link, whatever you want to do. You can change the size, you can change the font. So if you want Oswald, just click on it and you can change it to Anton. So you see it's changed straight away. Change it to Hammersmith, change it to Oswald, and then we like Oswald, we're staying with it, we click Save. So I think that the secret is to come in here and play, do a test one, and play with all this and get used to it. It's like this little thing here under there. It's a bit too close to there. So look, you click on it and you can move it. So I want it there. I don't want it a bit higher. Arrows, click on them, and if you want any more of these arrows or little lines, they are in icons. So you click on icon, and these are all the icons. You just click on one and it will pop up there. It's already popped up. I didn't know I had clicked on one, but then, so you put the box away, and then if you don't want it, the box keeps popping up. So click on that, and then click delete. It's not done it. Do it again, click on delete. It's not going to do it now, is it? Delete. There you go, it's gone. You just have to do it a few times. The secret is don't be worried about it. And so, right, there's also, you get a made with LeadsLeap sign in the bottom corner. You can hide it if you're a pro member. I think it's a bad idea to hide it, because I think if anybody clicks on there, they'll be joining you, your business. Even if they don't want the business you're advertising, they might click and join you with LeadsLeap because they want to be able to make a capture page like this. So I would never hide it, but obviously that's up to everybody else. And then one of the last ones I want to tell you about is background. Say you don't like the background, this is the image. So if you click there, if you don't want that image which is at the back, you can look here, and obviously it's taken a while for these to upload, but you could just decide I want pink daisies there. Okay, and so I think you just, I'm not quite sure how you do that one actually. Double click on that. Oh, it brings it up. And click there. Yeah. Save. Let's see if that does it. Work saved. Okay, yes. So it's done pink daisies. So you just literally, once you've got what you want, you click save. Who wants pink daisies in the background? Probably not. So whatever you've done, let me move that back out of the way. So if you're happy then, if you say, right, this is great, I'm happy with that, you click save. It's slowing right down. I'm not 12 minutes, I can't believe that. So much for a quick video. But it does take a while and it's very slow. It's going very slow. Oh. Anyway, right, so that's done. So then you can just close it. And then we're back to the page manager, which is just updating because I've been, because I've pressed save, and so that updates. And so eventually it takes you back to this. So this is all done, but guess what you have to do now? This is your design. You've got your link to it there. What do you think you have to do now? Oh, activate it. It's dancing up and down telling me that's inactive. So you just do that and it's active. So now we can go to one. It'll pop up with this. Right click and copy. Put it in and we should have exactly as we've done this horrible capture page that we've done just to show you. But it should come up with pink daisies and with the words changed how we've changed it. And hopefully, there you go, pink daisies. Who else? You've totally changed that one. You haven't got the man there in the background. Not sure it's really beautiful, but that's how to change it and how to alter it and how easy it is. It's not difficult at all. And to be honest, as soon as you've been in there and done it 3 or 4 times, you get very blasé about it. You're just popping things all over, trying different things, thinking, oh, what's that button for, and pressing it. So you're not scared because you can always go back, you can always delete it, you can always start again. So the secret is just mess with it, just try. It is really easy to use to build pages with LeadsLeap. So then you close that and you've got your design here. So it's all ready. Then you can send some adverts to it here. If you just take that link there and go and put some pro ads or credit ads in and start getting traffic already from LeadsLeap, which is a real bonus. So that's it, LeadsLeap, how to use PageBuilder. It's really simple and the secret is to just get in there and try. Okay, if you liked the video, found use from it, please click the like button, anything you do, or click the dislike button, I don't mind. Anyway, thanks for watching. It's Sue Sharp and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.